In chapter 8, Lord Nrsimhadev slays the king of the demons. So there's this first verse, Narada Muni is explaining that the demoniac children, they appreciated the teachings of Prahlad and they took them very seriously. So Prabhupada explains in his purport the elements of success in preaching. What makes an effective preacher? One will be effective in his preaching if he has these qualities. First, if a devotee is qualified, if he's sincere and serious about Krishna consciousness, and if he follows the instructions of the bona fide spiritual master, then his preaching will be effective. So he must be qualified. First characteristic or element of success, a devotee preacher must be qualified. Qualified means he must be following the principles himself, he must have realizations, he must know the Shastras. Then he must be sincere, dedicated in his behavior, and serious about Krishna consciousness. He must be following the orders of a spiritual master. So now Hiranyakashipu is criticizing him. O most impudent, most unintelligent disruptor of the family, O lowest of mankind, you have violated my power to rule you, and therefore you are an obstinate fool. Today I shall send you to the place of Yamaraj. So Prabhupada explains that a devotee doesn't care for the instructions of the demons. When they give instructions, the devotee remains silent. A devotee cares about the instructions of Krishna, but not the non-devotees. He does not give any respect to a demon, even though the demon may be his own father. The relationship between a pure devotee and the Supreme Personality of Godhead is extremely relishable. So Prahlad Maharaj was questioned by his father, where are you getting your power? You're so obstinate, impudent, and don't appear to be afraid of me. Prahlad said, Na kevalam me bhavatascha rajan savai balam balinam chaparesham parevare mi stirajangama ye pramadyo yena vasham pranita. My dear king, the source of my strength, of which you are asking, is also the source of your strength. Indeed, the original source of all strength is but one. He is not only your strength or mine, but the only strength for everyone. Without him, no one can get any strength, whether moving or not moving, superior or inferior. Everyone, including Lord Brahma, is controlled by the strength of the Supreme Personality of Godhead.